Okay, we are going to do a couple examples of defining position. So using this idea of position appropriately in a problem representing the world and in physics. And so let's say Janice is located 50 meters to the east of her house. How would we represent that in a diagram of position? Well, we have to define the world first. We have to define sort of the space that Janice is in. So we'll define that meridian for the world Janice is in. Now, we know it says that Janice is east of her house. So her house is going to be in that world. So there's Janice's house, and she's east of it. And we said that by convention, east will be in the positive direction to the right. So Janice will be here on the right side of her house. So there's Janice, and there's her house. Now, if I want to say, where is Janice located, I have two choices. I can say, all right, I get to define the origin. So if this is my world and this is what the picture is, where's 0? Well, I could say that 0 is at the house. Define the origin of the space at the house. If 0 is at the house, then Janice is 50 meters east of the house. Janice is at position 50 meters. So the position of Janice is 50 meters. I actually have another choice. I could say the position of Janice is 0. What if I define Janice as the origin? Well then, Janice is at 0 meters. I can make that choice when I'm defining the world. Well, if Janice is at 0 meters, well then where's the house? Okay, well, if this is my origin, the house is to the left of the origin. The house then is 50 meters to the left, so it's negative 50. So we can define the same situation in two different ways, how we choose the origin. Let's do another small example. Let's say that Manuel is located 3.2 kilometers left of McDonald's. What would a diagram look like if McDonald's was the origin? Okay, well first we define the world. And let's put McDonald's, right there at the origin. We're defining the origin. It says that Manuel is located 3.2 kilometers to the left of the origin. So Manuel's somewhere over here. He's on the left side of McDonald's. He's 3.2 kilometers away, but because he's the left, he's at negative. How would this diagram look if I said Manuel was the origin? Well, similar to our previous example, I could define Manuel at the origin. McDonald's now is 3.2 kilometers to the right. So McDonald's is at a positive. So very straightforward, but it's very important because as we move into problem solving with physics, these positions need to be defined for us. So setting that origin is key, and then everything else is defined based on that. And none are wrong. They both represent the same space. We just have to make the choice and then use that choice in our problem solving. We get a lot of practice on that. Good job.